Hi there, this is Monor Hussain. Uh, Today I will show you how can you do the CMS and filtering on the CMS. So let's go to the screen and you can see here is a page and here is the company name and it's on the German language. Let me translate it to English so it will be very understandable. Job title, here is the job title and here is the company name, district, and here is the filter, which district job you are looking for or which district uh, companies you are looking for to do the job or something look like that. So here is the filter system, here is the all I have only 4 card here. So if anyone select any of the district, then they can see here the job post, and when they will click show details, so then they can see who is the person, what is the phone number, email, and all are the dynamic things that I have done with using Wix CMS. And so if you are looking for a look like that filtering system on the Wix CMS, then you may knock me. I can assist you to solve your any CMS things. It can be a job post, it can be a like as influencer list or any of the list that you want to include on your Wix website. I can assist you to solve this issue with using Wix CMS, and I can include the filtering system as well for you. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. On the video description I have my WhatsApp number. You can knock me directly there. I can assist you to solve your any kind of Wix issue on your website. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye for now.